welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second episode. So for today's video I use a red eyeshadow. So I've already applied my foundation and all that stuff, and also primed my eyelids again by using this eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier. And for today's makeup look I will be using the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and it is actually like the only palette that I own that it has a red eyeshadow. So if you guys know other palettes that they have like red shadows, you know, like these colors, please let me know in the comments below. I would really love to try other palettes. So I will take a flat brush, if I can also find one. Okay, so I think I've lost all of my flat brushes because I can't find like anything in here. Oh, okay, so I have one, this one by BH Cosmetics, and I will take, as I said, the red eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelid. So let's see. I don't think I will apply any shadow on my lower lash line. I will just leave it that way. Okay, and now taking a pencil brush, I'll take again some of this red eyeshadow. I'll apply it into my crease, and I'm doing that to you know, blend the edges because I don't want to be like any harsh lines. Well, it seems good enough, and I will finish the eyes by using some mascara, and I will take the Full Fat Lashes mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll apply it on my upper and lower lashes. And as always, you can use false lashes if you want. So now for the lips, I will use a lip pencil, and I'll take this red one from NARS, and it's called Cruella. It is a beautiful deep red shade. So this is the final result. Let me know in the comments below if you like this makeup that I've created using only one shadow, basically a red eyeshadow. As I said, you can also use false lashes if you want something more dramatic, but I wanted to leave it more natural and make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more and not hide it behind the lashes, but this is my choice. Also, as I said at the beginning of the video, please do tell me if you know other eyeshadow palettes that have maybe like you know, these super colorful eyeshadows, because this is the only eyeshadow palette that I have with the red color in it, and I would really like to try something different. And as always, before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow on episode 3 of this series, Monochromatic Passion. Bye!